Exercise 1.1, question number 8. Edge of A is given. Find A. To find A, we are going to use A is equal to plus or minus 1 by root of determinant of edge A into adjoint of our given adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is given. For that, we are going to find what is adjoint of A. For this, first, let us find what is the determinant of the given edge of A. So, we are going to expand along the first row, taking plus minus plus sign. 2 into 24 minus 0. Minus of minus 4 plus 4 into minus 6 minus 14 plus 2 into 0 plus 24. This is equal to 48 minus 6 minus 14 minus 20 into 4 minus 18 plus 48. 96 minus 18 is equal to 16. Next, we are going to find edge of edge A. Edge of edge A, here as we have told, I'm going to give trick number 3 to find edge of edge A. So watch carefully here. Let me proceed with the second column. Second column, the middle element, we write it as 12, 0, minus 4, 12. So what I have done, moving downwards, 12, 0, 0, minus 4, 12. Next, we move on to the last column, proceeding the same way from the middle element. So we write it as minus 7, 2, 2, minus 7. Next, coming to the first column, middle element, minus 3, minus 2, 2, minus 3. First, repeat the first row. That is coming to the second column again. We get 12, 0, minus 4, 12. That's all. Now, this is equal to, edge is equal to 12 into 2, 24 minus 0. So 24. 0 plus 8, 8. 28 minus 24. 28 minus 24 is equal to 4. Now I have simplified row-wise, written row-wise in this trick. Shortcut. Now 14 plus 6, 20. 4 plus 4, 8. Minus 6 plus 14. Minus 6 plus 14. So 8. 0 plus 24. 24. 8 minus 0. 8. 24 minus 12. Gives me 12. This is edge of edge A. As we know, A is equal to plus or minus 1 by root of adjoint of A, that is root of determinant of edge A, that is 16. Edge of edge A, we know is 24, 8, 4, 28, 8, 24, 8, 12. 4 is common inside the matrix. Take outside the matrix. 4 by root of 16 is again 4. So we get 6, 2, 1, 5, 2, 2, 6, 2, 3. Now the value of A matrix will be is equal to, value of the A matrix will be is equal to plus or minus 6, 2, 1, 5, 2, 2, 6, 2, 3. This previous question, edge A was given, we were asked to find what is A. So in this question, edge A is given, we are asked to find what is A inverse. So for this, what is the formula we are going to use here? Formula is edge A inverse is equal to plus or minus 1 by root of determinant of edge A into just edge A. So I'm going to find first what is determinant of edge A. Determinant of edge A is equal to, first element is 0. Next, minus of minus 2 plus 2 into 36 minus 18. Again, last element is 0. So gives us this is equal to 36. Now, I'm going to find what is edge A. Edge A is already given in the question. So now A inverse. What is A inverse? A inverse is equal to plus or minus 1 by root of 36 into adjoint of A, that is 0, minus 2, 0, 6, 2, minus 6, minus 3, 0, 6, again, which is equal to plus or minus 1 by 6 0 minus 2 0, 6 2 minus 6 minus 3 0 6. This is A inverse.